Now is our ministry highlights document at the website, which we're about to share with you in some ways. But I also wanted to tell you a few things about the document. We not only just remind you of what we said in 2016 we would focus on in our manifesto. If you go to 2016, we started to work for you. We entered office. And in 2020, we said that we were going to focus on certain things as we created a stronger future. I'm going to direct your attention to the screen so that we can have a look at the e-booklet, which is on, because we not only share more, and we've divided by ministry, so you can find things that you're looking for by ministry. This, again, was a very difficult process. But Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation shares elements with you more about the largest road, highway development and port infrastructure expansion across the nation, about the work that has been done in expanding national water access, the social water program, what we've been doing in climate action. I've heard people say, you know, environment is not just about building trees. It's not about just building trees. And we've certainly done more, so we say some more about that. It speaks about how we've empowered MSMEs, how we're transforming urban centers, and advancing the digital economy. It speaks about our systematic land titling program, and we're going to say more about that, of course, in just a couple of days. And it also, of course, goes into the Office of the Prime Minister. You know that housing is there, green energy is there, more urban renewal and public sector digitization. There's so much in here. And on the cultural side and the creative industry side, as you flip through, there are so many things which you may have either forgotten or not recognized. But we not only speak about the work that has been done in sports and development of grassroots youth sports development, but about the well-being for creatives. It's about how we've embarked on the entertainment zone creation, the decibel zones, environmental impact zone assessments, all of the preparatory work that is going to help us move into the next chapter of harnessing our creative economy. It's about how it is that we have moved forward in the political cooperation of women and their empowerment. It's about the fact that we have not only exonerated our national heroes who had criminal charges against them and our other freedom fighters, as we needed to do that in order to fully and successfully complete our lobby for the exoneration of Marcus Garvey overseas. People forget that we exonerated our freedom fighters right here, including Chief Taki. We have also had a revival and renewal of national knowledge and celebration of Jamaican culture. We have provided additional support for coral garden survivors and economic support, economic empowerment programs for cultural and religious communities such as the Ethiopian Orthodox Church, such as the Maroons in the various communities, including Akompong. We have a lot of information to share. This is our next chapter of our achievements, the next chapter of our achievement story. And we invite you to share, have a look. Many people want to think of the Jamaica Labour Party's achievements in a particular box, but it is so rich and wide and life-impacting that we really did not think it would be too much at this stage to share more, because people have been asking us for more.